Hello and welcome to Gulene's Education Academy. Today we have come up with another video lesson on IELTS speaking where we'll be covering the parameters and the tips to score high in this module. So let's get started. First of all, the IELTS speaking is marked on 4 parameters which are fluency, vocabulary, grammar and pronunciation. Next, talking about the tips to score high. Today I'll be covering 5 major tips that will help you really boost your IELTS score. Okay, so the first tip is be natural and confident. So you should not seem to have memorized your text. Rather, the confidence and the natural pace will really reflect your preparation. The next tip is use less common vocabulary. So as the vocabulary is a parameter, so instead of repeating a word over and over, it's better to use some synonyms, a range of words to avoid the repetition. The third tip is use fillers and linkers. These definitely play a great role. Fillers such as well, certainly, honestly speaking. There are so many fillers and linkers like apart from this, moreover, not only but also, these all will actually enhance your scores. The fourth tip is extend your answers. Now you're asked a question, suppose do you like sports? So rather than just saying yes I like sports, you have done nothing but added a word yes and said the same words from the question. So rather than doing this, you should paraphrase and give your answer with elaboration in minimum 1 or 2 sentences. For example, yes I love games. I have been playing games since my school time and cricket is my favorite, anything like that. The last tip for today for your speaking module is practice beforehand. Certainly practice is the key for cracking any kind of competitive exam in your life. So the more you practice, the mirror practice or the evaluation with your teachers will certainly help you go more prepared and confident in your final exam. Thank you so much.